The Wake Up Show.
My favorite morning show. They're funny.
On 93.1.
Roll your window up.
Okay, that would help. Okay, now just go anywhere in particular?
Just drive in slowly.
You sure?
And
We're
it's
not
got-
going to hit, eh?
No.
Our lights?
No, slow down, slow down. Because it's got a blaster here that's
I
gonna.
can't see.
Put your wipers on.
Really? Hello? Do I stop anywhere? Oh, it says
it'll
drive
tell you to
forward.
stop. It'll tell you to stop.
Do. You didn't tell me. Oh, slowly, not stop. Slowly.
It honks at you too. Now put it in park.
Ugh. Do I have to turn it off or anything?
Nope, just leave it like this.
Oh, the car's in park.
Yeah. And now it's gonna start spraying.
Okay. Oh, the windows are up. Don't touch them because I probably put them. I haven't been in one of these things since they used to take your car and pull you through it. You'd park in neutral. What's that? You could come in here and get a shower. Well, isn't that snazzy? I hear noise. This is cool. Blue. What's the green stuff? Don't forget this side. I always fear I'm going to get wet. Brilliant shine now being applied. Ooh. Looks like water. Oh my gosh, what was that?
Now when you pull out, go as slow as you can. It's gonna give you a counter out here on your left, and it's gonna dry us
It's
off.
going to hit me.
It won't hit you. It goes up as it feels the car. It's got a
Am I
sensor. in
going
it.
slow enough?
Yes. Perfect speed.
Oh my gosh. Is this going to be like one of those birds fly at you in your car and you duck?
Nope.
Do I stop or keep going?
Keep going. It goes up on its own.
Whoa, Nelly! Ah!
Slower.
Slower. How about stop? It's all running down. That didn't work.
And just put your wipers on.
Interesting.
The Wake Up Show.
My favorite morning show. They're funny.
On 93.1.